Hi everyone, I am Pradnya, your favorite manifestation and mindset coach. If you are interested in taking one on one sessions from me, all the information is mentioned in the description below. Let's understand how to manifest faster using this little secret of Neville Goddard. Listen to this story. Neville Goddard tells a story of the time he wanted his son back. Neville and his wife were separated at one time because they weren't compatible. Since they got married, his son was always moving back and forth between the two of them, and Neville didn't want that anymore. He wanted his son to stay with him, and so he went looking for him. But while Neville was doing everything he could to try to get him back, the wife was poisoning the son's mind over the years, saying that Neville didn't want him. Neville could have thought, there's no way I'm going to get my son back now and just give up. But instead, he chose to believe the opposite and ignored his reality. He ignored all that drama, and here's what else he did that was a game changer. He assumed that his son was living with him in his imagination, feeling his presence around the house. Few days later, the wife called, who was already living with some other guy, and said to him, my place isn't big enough for two men, and your son, although only 12, he is a man. She means take him. And then it happened. As Neville was leaving the house about to give his lecture, he opened the door and there he was. His son and his son stayed with him for a long period of time. Let's break it down now. Neville didn't worry about two things: current circumstances, and second, how it's going to happen. He simply went to the end. He imagined his son already living with them, and so the end is where you begin. So, whatever it is that you want to manifest right now, love, money, specific person, health, skip the how, ignore the current circumstances, and go directly to the end goal. Create in your mind's eye any scene of what it would be like if you already have that what you want, and you will receive your desire soon.